My name is Athirah binti Muhammad Nasaran and my metric number is 139283. In this video, I'm going to talk about infrared de-icing system. What is infrared? Infrared is electromagnetic radiation with wavelength longer than those visible light. It is generally invisible to human eyes and its wavelength extended from the nominal range edge of the visible spectrum of 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. Infrared carries radiant energy and behaves both like a wave and like its quantum particle, which is photon. What is infrared de-icing? De-icing is the process of removing snow, ice, or frost from a surface of an object. Infrared de-icing technology uses the radiant heat in the infrared wavelength to warm the surfaces and melt frozen contamination. How infrared de-icing works? The system generates infrared waves that are turned to the absorption rate of ice. The waves from infrared do not hit the air, just the frost or snow, and it penetrates only about 2 microns into the surface. In general, infrared energy impinging on an ice surface is absorbed at the surface. When the ice is transmissive or sufficiently thin over some infrared spectral region, the infrared flux in the spectral region reaches the substrate, which is ice interface. Assuming the substrate absorbs the flux, the temperature of the substrate increases and melting will occur at the substrate interface, potentially breaking the substrate bond. Infrared de-icing on aircraft. Did you know that it is important for the pilots to make sure that the aircraft is free of snow and ice accumulation before takeoff? Whenever snow, ice, or even frost has accumulated on the aircraft, especially at the wings and tailside of an airplane, the pilots have to call on the airport de-icing facility to have it removed. Plus, not just removing, but also prevent a build-up snow and ice is crucial for a safe takeoff. This is because a plane's wing and rear tail components are engineered with a very specific shape in order to provide proper lift for flight. Snow and ice on this area is essentially change their shape and disrupts the airflow across the surface, thus hindering the ability to create lift. The icing system for aircraft have typically used a water and glycol mixture, which is sprayed on the aircraft while the aircraft in the parking area awaiting clearance for takeoff. However, the ethylene glycol used is considered hazardous material to the environment. The icing may take up to 30 minutes and use several hundreds of gallons of ethylene glycol. To eliminate many environmentally hazardous material from aircraft operations, one of the methodologies is introduced, which is the usage of infrared heat sources integrated with air-assisted operation. Infrared de-icing system invention is an alternative to the use of glycol for removing ice, snow, and frost from aircraft surfaces. The main constituent of the invention is a flameless infrared heating system, which is positioned by various means, including both fixed and transportable systems. The flameless radiant infrared heater heats the skin surface of the aircraft to a selected and controlled temperature to de-ice the aircraft. Temperature-sensitive devices mounted in conjunction with the infrared heaters sense aircraft skin temperature, and through a backlogged circuit and microcontroller controlling output of heater are able to maintain the desired aircraft skin temperature. The flameless infrared heaters are arrayed in panels and may be mounted appropriately in hangar, on movable boom trucks or other suitable materials handling equipment, or on fixed handling unit with booms. Advantages of infrared de-icing system on aircraft. This invention is a non-hazardous and non-polluting to the environment. Besides, the glycol usage can be reduced up to 60% compared to the conventional method. Furthermore, it can shorten the time to de-icing the aircraft. According to document provided by Radian using data, average snow or ice removal time for Boeing 737 size aircraft was approximately 17 minutes compared to approximately 45 to 90 minutes per aircraft with conventional glycol de-icing. Disadvantage of infrared de-icing system on aircraft. The disadvantages of infrared de-icing system is that larger size of land needed to build infrared de-icing system hangar. Infrared de-icing system hangar need to be built close to runways to minimize the re-icing problem. The infrared structure for a large aircraft can be 100 feet tall, and a structure that tall cannot be built close to runway. Thank you for watching.